Owning a waterfront home in Green Cove Springs means enjoying serene views, gentle breezes, and the relaxing charm of riverside living. But it also means facing unique challenges: humidity, salt air, intense sunlight, and the occasional tropical storm. For homeowners here, window replacement isn't just about improving appearance. It's about choosing solutions that can withstand Florida's coastal environment while maintaining comfort, efficiency, and safety. Whether you live along the St. Johns River or near one of Green Cove Springs' scenic lakes, upgrading to the right windows can protect your home and elevate your living experience. The importance of coastal-grade windows. Standard residential windows often fall short when exposed to waterfront conditions. High humidity, salt exposure, and wind-driven rain can cause corrosion, leaks, and reduced insulation over time. That's why coastal-grade or impact-resistant windows are a smart investment for Green Cove Springs homeowners. These windows are specifically engineered to handle coastal elements. With reinforced glass, durable frames, and advanced weather seals, they resist rust, warping, and air infiltration, ensuring long-term performance even in humid, salty air. Choosing the right window replacement now can save you from costly repairs later, making it both a practical and protective upgrade. Impact-resistant windows for storm protection. Living near the water brings beauty and the occasional storm. Impact-resistant windows are essential for homes in areas like Green Cove Springs, where strong winds and flying debris can pose risks during severe weather. These windows feature laminated glass made of multiple layers bonded with a clear inner film. If struck, the glass may crack but will stay intact, preventing dangerous shards from entering your home. Beyond storm protection, impact windows also enhance security by deterring break-ins. Reduce noise from boats, wildlife, and wind. Provide UV protection that shields your interiors from fading. For waterfront homes, they offer peace of mind and year-round safety, without the hassle of installing and removing hurricane shutters. Moisture-resistant materials for lasting durability. Humidity and saltwater exposure can be tough on traditional window materials like untreated wood. That's why choosing moisture-resistant materials is crucial for waterfront properties. Top-performing options include vinyl windows, which resist moisture, corrosion, and warping while offering excellent insulation. Fiberglass frames, known for their strength, dimensional stability, and resistance to temperature fluctuations. Aluminum-clad wood windows, combining the warmth of wood inside with a weatherproof aluminum exterior for added durability. Each of these options helps maintain your home's appearance and efficiency, even in Green Cove Springs' humid environment. Energy efficiency. For Florida's climate, waterfront homes often feature wide windows to capture the view, but larger glass surfaces can also invite more heat and glare. Modern energy-efficient windows help maintain comfort without sacrificing your scenic outlook. Features to look for include low emissivity, coatings that reflect heat while allowing natural light to filter in. Argon gas-filled panes for superior insulation. Tinted or reflective glass options to reduce glare from the water's surface. These technologies help regulate indoor temperatures and lower energy bills, keeping your Green Cove Springs home cool and comfortable year-round. Custom designs to complement waterfront views. Waterfront living is all about embracing the view. Modern window replacement options allow you to customize window designs that maximize natural light and highlight your surroundings. Consider picture windows for unobstructed panoramic views. Casement windows for easy ventilation and clean sightlines. Sliding or bifold doors with wide glass panels that connect indoor and outdoor spaces. Custom designs ensure your new windows enhance your home's architecture while capturing the beauty of the water beyond. Professional installation. For coastal conditions, even the best windows won't perform properly without expert installation. Partnering with a local Green Cove Springs window specialist ensures your windows are sealed and fitted for optimal protection against humidity and storms. Local professionals understand coastal conditions and can recommend products that meet Florida's strict building codes while maximizing your home's safety, efficiency, and beauty. Final thoughts for Green Cove Springs homeowners: window replacement is more than an upgrade. It's an investment in protection, comfort, and lasting style. The right combination of impact resistance, moisture control, and energy efficiency ensures your waterfront home remains secure and inviting for years to come. By choosing durable materials, efficient glass, and professional installation, you can enjoy your stunning waterfront views with total peace of mind, knowing your windows are built to handle everything Florida's environment brings.